Hello everybody and welcome to day 89 of my Jaguar Airstyle restoration project. It's now time to attempt the driver's side rear suspension. I've learned my lessons from right hand side, so with the hands still clean, I'll first try to gain access to the gas strut mounting point here inside the trunk. My goal is to have this job done today within 3 hours. It's now 9:40 a.m. And here we go. Again, that's 4 times a 13 hex. I'm sure the strut won't drop down anyway because it's attached to the lower arm, but to be safe I will leave one nut in place. Step 2 of my modified sequence is removing the wheel hub nut. Maybe this won't even require an impact gun. Up to the tie rod. Up to the tie rod inner mounting. There's a lot more corrosion on this side. Shit. I think now I'm screwed. Mission accomplished, and it's now 10:55 a.m. Step 4 is detaching the sway bar link, and actually on this side there's a cap on top, a plastic cap, which is protecting the upper nut. This was already missing on the other side. Let's try to get this removed first. Oh, and as you can see, the cap didn't protect the nut from anything, especially not from the rust. I can't even identify this as a hex. Don't even need a knuckle here. Oh no, stripped the upper portion of the stud. Now it's over. For the lower nut, again the lower arm has to come off first, and not to run into problems later, I will also unscrew the brake assembly. The upper bolt is out, and the lower one. Operating a knuckle without an extension is quite a pain always. So that's been the lower one. In order to put this brake assembly aside, I now have to remove the gas strut. I can now remove the final nut inside the trunk. And here it goes. Everything seems a little bit more sturdy on this side. And here it goes. So let's detach this one final plug and get the parking brake cable underneath the sway bar. So, up to the lower arm, 1225 PN by the way. Again, I use a long extension plus a knuckle on this one. Adjust the locking tab today. Voila, 2118 again on this side. And here's our lower arm up to the upper arm. I don't remember to have interfered with the sway bar on the other side as well. Of course, the upper arm must stay in place as long as the half shaft isn't removed. So let's try to press out the half shaft here as well. And here it goes. Now up to the vertical link. And here goes the vertical link. Finally, let's attempt the half shaft. The click was already here. Yeah, and this comes out quite easily today. Today's work took me almost 4 hours, so there's no time left to take a closer look onto the brand new suspension components I went for. I will do this next time, as well as attempt the rear differential. If you enjoyed the video, you may want to give it a thumbs up or even subscribe if doing so. Please also ring the notification bell. See you back on my channel next time. Goodbye.